Hi, I'm Sarah Johnson. I have been a patient of Dr. Nick's for about 2 years now. When I originally went in to see him, I was at the beginning of my second trimester of my first pregnancy. I had a lot of lower back tension and pain. So I booked an appointment. I was definitely apprehensive. Like, I'd never done dry needling before. I was kind of nervous. I'd never met him before. And immediately when we met, he made me feel so much more at ease, just really comfortable with the whole process. We spent probably 20 or 30 minutes at the beginning of the session, just kind of like discussing what I was looking for, how it worked. He did some trigger point therapy, no needles involved. We really slowly kind of worked into the dry needling, and we only did a couple that first time, but immediately after the dry needling, I felt that relief that my friend was talking about, and I was like totally hooked. I think I booked a session with him maybe once a month the entire pregnancy, and just made everything so much more comfortable. I remember having pain in my feet and my hips, and just like that relief and that comfort, I was able to sleep better. I've seen him both when I was pregnant and not pregnant, when I was postpartum. I remember specifically, maybe it was 2 or 3 months postpartum, and I was having trouble sleeping. So the baby was sleeping, but I wasn't. And I remember it had been like 2 months since I had seen him, and he came over, did like a full dry needling session, and I had slept the best I've ever slept that night in months. I was so grateful. I texted him the next day. I was like, I can now be a good mom because I've slept well. I recommend him to all of my friends and family, just like in terms of how comfortable he makes you feel, how he's very flexible in his approach, doesn't always have to be, just dry needling. There's a lot of different techniques involved, and the amount of comfort I've received from my ability to work out and do my exercises and hopefully have another baby, I definitely credit it to Dr. Long.